Namaste. I'm Jyoti. I'm the founder director of Ajanta Vihara Institute of Spiritual Sciences. Let us start this healing journey together. We all want to know what future holds for us. We all hope that it will be a good, happy, and abundant one. I am not here to predict your future. I am today going to help each one of you, irrespective of what zodiac sign you belong to. Help understand how you can have abundant reality at any given point of time. Planets will do what they have to do, but you also have to do what you have to do. Starting this new year, we have been slowly inching our way out of the darkness. Some of you might have experienced it and some of you might not be even aware of it. According to my energy mapping for all zodiac signs, this new zodiac cycle starting in April 2024 is centered around personal growth. While this may sound easy, however, these challenges present unique opportunities for nurturing yourself, loving yourself, and being kind to yourself. Starting in April 2024, remember, April 2024 is important month for the shift. Each zodiac sign is going to embark on a unique journey filled with possibilities, challenges, and growth opportunities based on the position of the planets and stars. But most importantly, based on how much you feel you are worthy of the abundance. Through all the ups and downs, good and bad, what can help you keep yourself grounded, positive, and in high frequency vibrations are the affirmations I'll be sharing with you in this video for each of the zodiac signs. So stay tuned in till the end. Start using these affirmations as your bedtime rituals. Do 10 counts of deep breathing and then read out affirmation to your specific zodiac sign for your zodiac sign at least 3 times and then sleep. Your subconscious will slowly start to get programmed to these as commands. The moment you will sleep, your subconscious will start aligning everything to these vibrations of the affirmations that you will be using this April. Do it for the whole month of April. You will definitely feel and see the shift happen. You can also continue to do it beyond it. You can do the whole 90-day cycle for your subconscious to get reprogrammed into this being your new reality. If you want 2024 to be the best year yet, filled with love, abundance, and exciting opportunities, then make sure you practice these simple yet very powerful affirmations to manifest your happy, abundant, and life-filled reality. 7th sign of the zodiac, Libra. In the new zodiac cycle starting this April 2024, Libras, you are being called out to step back and experience a mini ego death. Instead of over-asserting your value system, now is a great time to step back and observe life. You might feel a sense of opposition from those you care for. Do not get attached to the hurt it causes. Practice detachment from anything that challenges your ego. Practice detachment from anything that is causing you hurt. Affirmations, Libras, that work for you this April. First, I am enough just as I am. Second, I am at peace with myself and the world around me. 7th sign of the zodiac, Scorpio. Scorpios, you already know what you want, your next steps, and your desired outcome. In this zodiac cycle, you don't need to go back and forth playing games with yourself. Scorpios, focus on the little things like completing tasks, paying bills, and getting from point A to point B. Even if it appears mundane, it's okay. Sometimes life truly is simple, and that is enough. Learn to take life as it is coming to you right now. Scorpios, affirmations that work for you this April. First, I'm grateful for all the blessings in my life. Second, I am at peace with myself and the world around me. Ninth sign of the zodiac, Sagittarius. In this new zodiac cycle starting April 2024, Sagittarius, you have to trust your instincts and your intuition. When you undermine yourself, Sagittarius, you are telling yourself that you're not worthy of being trusted. Something that is very common feeling to all Sagittarius. Time to fight that feeling. Time to challenge your fear. You are worthy of belief, Sagittarius. Believe that validates your efforts, validates who you are. When you feel something isn't right, you must believe your senses until proven otherwise. Sagittarius, affirmations that work for you this April. First, I am in tune with my intuitive guidance and inner wisdom. Second, I am making a positive difference in the world.